Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this episode of RC Terminator, we're going to go ahead and go over a couple upgrades I've done to the trailer for you guys. Some modifications, some updates, stuff that's actually worked, got a few things fixed and working. So come on over and check out the video, everybody. See what you guys think. Alright, and here we go. We're getting ready to do something cool. Something you guys are not expecting. Let me get you guys closer to see that. Yes, that is my winch working. We're going to try this winch out here. Alright. And the unsuspected soul. Sitting over there, right there. Now, we ended up fixing a few things on the trailer, and I'm going to go over it after we get done showing how everything works now. Found me a good spot on the control arm. Now, here we go. Make sure it comes on straight. This one's broke down. We are bringing it back to the shop for some repairs. Plenty of power for it. There's the LED lights I was talking about. Seem a little bit better inside. There's your fronts. Light kit I got off of Amazon for an inexpensive price. Trailer's a lot lower to the ground. And let me go ahead and get you up close to show you some of the details I did. Okay. Number one, trailer's a lot lower. I go ahead and flip that axle and put it on top of the springs. Figured that was a whole lot better. Made it look a little more realistic. Took the ramps. You see I shaved them on an angle, both of them. Man, that makes a world of a difference. I'm not fighting a big hump getting it on. It's an oldie. No motor, needs some repairs. Now, the power winch, that's what just brought this whole girl up right there. Everything's nicely stashed away in there. That's the chains. Underneath the chains, oh wow, piece of diamond plate. But it's what's under the diamond plate that what counts. Nice and snug fit. I don't want this thing to come off or anything. Covering up all my wires and my battery. Little 2S LiPo 20C discharge. It is a 500 mAh 2-cell 2S LiPo running it. And I just made a little cover to go in here to cover up everything, just like so. Or I can have my chain still in there. Covers it up. Little two-way rocker switch for forward and reverse. I actually got some more LED lights. I'm gonna put some amber up here, kind of just shine it up on the trailer, kind of light up the trailer. And then I'm gonna got two reds for the tail lights. I'm gonna offset them over here off the sides so they're facing back, so the trailer will have its own lights. And they're actually gonna tie in, I think, to the winch battery. I think that's where I plan on putting it at. But that's where we're at so far with the trailer. Definitely made some good improvements. I'm happy with them. Let's go ahead and get this thing ended. And what do you guys think? Definitely some good upgrades. Wanted to get some of that stuff done. The ramps definitely helped. Winch, I'm happy with. I'm glad that thing works like it's supposed to. Plenty of power. I think it's going to be great. I think definitely do its job. Plenty of cable. And if I get in a pickle and need something way further out, well, I've got 2 extra long chains, so I'm good there. I got plenty of room. And you know, that DR10 back here, I've talked to a couple people on that, and I got some surprises for you guys. If you guys are having issues with getting hooked up and running and stuff like that, this guy races professionally. You know, since I'm new about it, I wanted to kind of learn some stuff. This guy races professionally. He's running a 2.5 in 132 feet. He's the second fastest guy out there on the drag strip. First fastest guy is running a 2.3, so he's not too far behind. He's working on getting his car dialed in to beat that time. He wants to be the fastest in no prep drag RC. So shout out to him, man. I hope he gets it. And he showed me a couple little tips and tricks on mine, and I'm gonna try them out. And if it's what I think they are, I'm gonna share them with you. These are secrets from a top guy that's running, you know, top 3 to 4 in his class. So you guys might want to stay tuned for that one. Definitely working on it. I've already done a few. I need to do some testing. Then I'm gonna get it finished, and then I'm gonna share all of it with you guys. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. And I appreciate all the support you guys have been doing for me. And remember, next giveaway is at 600. So please, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. And if you've already subscribed, I appreciate it. Thank you. And until next time, we'll catch you later. Go outside, go break something. See you later, everybody.